use this to make jam. It's gonna be super good. You know, this is the type of stuff that you're gonna be so proud of yourself when you eat this. You're gonna sing a song. You know, a song like I'm too sexy for my shirt, too sexy for my shirt, too sexy it hurts. Put your reviews, don't forget to subscribe, they say. Alright, and I'll put more of this down the road. Alright, so the first thing we do. Wow, look at this thing. Isn't it pretty? Let's see what we can do with this. You'll see. As the recipe evolves, you'll...
What?
Line, please.
You forgot to read your script.
Done.
I think so.
Look at that, a whole pumpkin, and I get to try this much. Actor Spay's gotten really bad lately. Oh, let's try it. Wow, it's good. It's surprising the good mixture of flavor that you can get out of a pumpkin. I think I'll have that again. By the way, don't be surprised if I go back to the pot and take a little bit more. Wow, look at that. Pumpkin jam with apple cake. Now, is this my birthday cake? Wine pumpkin, my favorite. How much did you pay for this? You must have paid a lot. Look at that. Tastes so good. Better than any icing. Well, I hope you made lots of this. Here, that's mine too. Now, luckily, we got 2 more, so enough for 3 days. You should try. No, there's not enough. I think I'm gonna stay here for a couple of hours and have this. It's healthy too, you know. Yes. You know, they're so well together. Nothing is too sweet. The pumpkin makes like really good icing to go on this apple cake. Better than anything you can buy. Guaranteed. Now, if I were to try to describe this jam, it's undescribable. No, but really, it's it's refreshing. You know, like you bite into things, and it's like almost like ice cream. Like you look at the color and you think, oh, is it mango? No, it's not. It's better than mango because it's not as sweet, and it has texture. And somehow in there, you know, that vanilla bean, pure homemade vanilla bean, that really sets it out. Because it has a little, you know, je ne sais quoi.
Je ne sais quoi.
Well, if you know, then you would say je ne sais quoi. This is good. Oh, Ineffable really outdid herself this time.
keeps getting better every day.